Meet Emma. Emma always wanted beautiful teeth, but she didn't know an outstanding dental office, so she was hesitant to go to the dentist. Until she moved to San Francisco to join a startup. She started thinking, now is the time, and she started researching and asking her colleagues and friends. Her colleagues and friends recommended Union Square Dental Practice. Emma checked their Yelp, and they were impressive. She checked their YouTube and found so many happy patient testimonials. She eventually had no doubts left. Emma visited Union Square Dental Practice and fell in love with them from the first session. Now, a while after the first visit, Emma watches herself in the mirror every day and enjoys her beautiful smile. She's happy that she made the right decision. You can too. Enjoy a lifelong beautiful smile like Emma and many others. Visit Union Square Dental Practice today. Convenient access at downtown San Francisco. www.unionsquaredental.com 415-693-9139